today and oxtail from yesterday. See? Yeah, man. I don't know. You know, hope everybody's having a blessed day, you know. You know, when you have a bad day, me just use food, you know. Me just use food to make it come good, you know. So today, me I cook some red snapper, right? Remember what I always say? If you want good Jamaican food, you have to come see me, right? Boom. So guys, today we're cooking outside. Yeah. When I cook outside, give me a vibe. You know, remind me of home. Yeah, man, we do whole heap of cooking outside. When we're back home, we have whole heap of cooking outside. Mommy cooking outside. You see it? Grandma cooking outside. You see it? Yeah, man, it just have a different feel, you know? Yeah, man, when you're in the open and cooking, you know? Yeah. Yeah, so in the meantime, we're gonna make this go on. Light up the fire, make it go and catch, you see it? Yeah. So this gonna take probably 20 minutes or so to get real hot, you know. So yeah. Yeah. A little bit. Alright, so we have some thyme and scallion, and we have to give the oil some flavor. I just cut them thin, you know, already wash and clean up and clean up. Yeah. You guys, so this is how we're looking. That's the last set. Yeah. First set. Last set. And guys, I have some leftover oxtail from yesterday, which I'm gonna use as the sauce. Yeah. So when this is finished, I'm gonna just put the oxtail to warm it up, and I have also leftover rice. You know, because yesterday I have some leftover rice from the warmer, so you know, you can keep overnight. So we're gonna have that, and we're gonna make a plate with that. Yeah, yeah, man. So right now these are finished. Put them over there for a little while. We're gonna put them oxtails on to get warm, you know. Yeah, man. These are finished. Yeah. Something simple, you know? Simple. So we're gonna make the oxtail get to warm up, and we're gonna make a plate. Then we have good oxtail right there, so. Yeah. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Come on. Yeah, guys, so when everything is done, now we're gonna make a plate, right? And this is it. We're gonna have, let's do this. See? So you want 2 pieces of fish and some good oxtail, is it? Yeah, man. Only thing I cooked today was the fish. Sorry. Only thing I cooked today was the fish. I had rice from yesterday and oxtail from yesterday. See? Yeah, man. So that's red snapper, that's some oxtail leftover, and some white rice, and that's lunch. Yeah. I'm getting better than that. Let me show you something more going now. See? Yeah, man. Guys, please remember to subscribe if you haven't, you know. And you'll see a lot of videos, whether on the food truck or just my cooking in the backyard, you know. So yeah, man, give thanks to everybody. Hope everybody is good, and you don't know, keep positive, you know, just stay positive. You see it? Yeah, man, because this morning was a negative start for me, but you know, I just brush it off, you know, probably 45 minutes time, you know, because I was supposed to go out and work my food truck, and then, you know, I get this text, you know, saying, you know, from the workers that they couldn't work. So big up everybody. So guys, that is it right there. I'm gonna go wash it down now with a pineapple soda. Yeah, so we have some red snapper over there, so slice it today with a fried whole, and some oxtail did leftovers. Yeah, rice was leftover too. Yeah, so that's what we have mashed up today. So see, I just put some oxtail in a pot, reheat it, and we got some fried snap over there, so you know. Yeah, man. Guys, give thanks to everybody, you know, sometime in life you just have to just take positive from a negative. This morning I wake up, right, and when I wake up this morning, you know, I see a text from my worker say he can't come in today. He's hurt his hand playing basketball, you know. So I said okay, and today is Friday, right? Today is one of my busiest day, and I couldn't do anything else. I just have to take off, you know. So, you know, I'm just trying to stay positive, you know. Yeah, so I just want to spread positive today. So give thanks to everybody. Remember to subscribe.